everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button as well as that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thanks for subscribing and thank you for tuning in. I just wanted to make a video on the first paycheck for March, which will be from March 13th. Which is Friday the 13th, by the way, if you haven't looked at the calendar just yet, until March 27th. As you all know, I do have Chime, and I do get paid 2 days early, hopefully to get paid 2 days early. So let's get started with the budget. We're budgeting off of $1,360. When it comes to the rent, we are budgeting for $362. When it comes to AT&T, of course, you know we did pay off the cell phones last month and we did get the bill lower, so we are budgeting for $179.51. When it comes to the electricity bill, we don't really pay for water, so this is just electric. Now last month we did use the heat a little bit more, but the total bill was about $98, so we are rounding and going to pay $100. When it comes to clothes, I do have a wedding to attend, and of course I really don't know what to wear, so I decided to buy something new. So I've already bought something new with the previous check, but I do need to buy some accessories, so we'll just do $20 for accessories. When it comes to my sinking funds, those would be things such as vacation, savings, rideshare, health, gifts, things like that. And that equal up to $180. When it comes to cash envelopes, this is where I have to go to the bank and withdraw money. So you have groceries, gas, fast food, miscellaneous, things like that. Okay, when it comes to half the car payment, I do mean half of the minimum payment, which is $218. So I will be paying $110. And for Capital One, and I do have not due because that bill isn't actually due until April the 1st. No, maybe April the 5th. So I just put that down just in case I decided to pay it. So when it comes to the total, we are total to be $1,301.76. And when it comes to the amount left over, we should have around $50 or so. But if you budget off the actual amount, we should have $212.44. But right now we're only focused on this amount here. So hopefully we would be able to have that total amount left. So I do want to show, I'm not sure if I showed this in a previous video or not. Well, never mind. I can't find my planner at the moment. I think it's in my purse. But yeah, the bills have gotten cut completely short. So that's a good thing. We can now focus on the car payment only, which is about $3,400, a little over $400. So I did want to go back and show you all this here. Let's see if I can go to it. So I went through and I actually did the budget for March. So you have rent, $725, medical bills, State Farm, electric, AT&T, clothes, which are $70, which this amount needs to be changed, so I will wipe that out and actually change that to $20. No. Yeah, $20. And I'll have to go through when I get done recording and get everything added up. But everything here is the same. So I went through and wrote down all the credit card bills that are due, which equals to $89, except for the one for Walmart and the one for LCU. I didn't add those because those aren't due this month, and those won't get paid until I get paid in April. But I wanted to write them down just in case I decide to pay the bill early. Also, over here, let me see if I can zoom out. So emergency fund, $200, vacation, car maintenance, ride share, gifts, and health, which of course is sinking funds, and cash envelopes is groceries. I did add a little bit more money to the grocery fund only because of household items. We can't find any hand sanitizer anywhere, any Lysol wipes, things like that we need. Just in case I see some, I may buy a little extra. Hopefully I can find some. If not, I guess we'll just continue to wash our hands like we're supposed to do. So you have out of town for $70, salon, miscellaneous, gas, fast food, and laundry, which the total for the month is $3,280. But of course, it'll be just a little bit cheaper. So if we took 50 away, we'll have 41, 30. Hopefully I added that correct. We'll have $3,230 budgeted for the month, which from what I'm seeing from this amount here, we should have $100 left over. But you know how that goes when people send you money or